the floor is yours. And this is your scenario. Bibigyan ko talaga ng scenario, no? May eksena talaga sila. So here we go. You are at a party, and your ex is there. Natatakbo ako niyan. So, kailangan yung vibe natin ay confident, unbothered, and effortlessly glam. Okay? Kailangan, lalakad kayo, i-flip nyo yung hair ninyo na parang wala siya and you were the one who got away. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go ahead! Okay, nandiyan na si X. Nakita si X. Magpa-cute lalo. I'm over you. I'm better without you. Yan, yan. Alright, and now we'll find out. Palakpakan po tayo. Mag-iyawan. So let's start with candidate number 1 right over here. What do you think? How about right over here? Okay, dito naman. Okay, Zainab, you have to choose. Sino ang nanalo sa kanilang tatlo? Ano ba prize nito? Siyempre, Lux Organics. Okay.
Ang hirap kasi parang pag magpapantay-pantay yung energy ng ating audience. Pwede bang one more time para sure
Sige,
tayo?
sige.
Para walang bias.
Agree naman ako.
Yes.
Okay.
And candidate number 1.
Okay.
Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Okay, so I think we have a winner. It's candidate number 3.
And there we have it. Congratulations, my dear. You're taking home a very special package from Lux Organics. And here we go. Candidate number